Gemma 4 Troubleshooting Guide. Solve common issues fast. In this video, we'll learn how to troubleshoot common issues with Gemma 4 quickly and efficiently, equipping you with essential skills to minimize downtime and maintain productivity.
Welcome to the Gemma 4 Troubleshooting Guide. Did you know that 90% of Gemma 4 users experience issues that can be resolved in minutes? Today, we're diving into how you can solve common problems efficiently. Whether you're struggling with installation, connectivity, or performance, we've got you covered. Stick around to become a troubleshooting pro, minimizing downtime and ensuring your system runs smoothly. Let's get started.
Installation woes can be a real headache, but they don't have to be. First, always start by verifying your system meets the necessary requirements. This simple step can save you from many potential issues. If you're facing incomplete downloads, it's crucial to ensure your network is stable and that all files are fully downloaded before proceeding. Running the installer as an administrator can often bypass permission issues that might be blocking the installation. Additionally, disable any antivirus or conflicting software temporarily to prevent interference. Don't forget to check the installation log, it usually provides clues about what went wrong. With these steps, you'll have Gemma 4 up and running in no time.
Connectivity issues can halt your workflow, but they often have straightforward solutions. Start by checking the stability of your network connection. A simple restart of your router or modem can sometimes resolve persistent problems. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection for more reliable performance. Updating your network drivers can also help if they're outdated or corrupted. Lastly, ensure your firewall settings are not blocking Gemma 4 from accessing the internet. Following these tips can significantly improve your connectivity and keep your projects moving forward. Response errors can be frustrating, but pinpointing the specific error code is your first step to a solution. Gemma 4's error database is an invaluable resource for understanding these codes and finding recommended fixes. Often, a simple cache clear and application restart can resolve minor glitches. It's also essential to ensure you're running the latest version of the software, as updates frequently contain bug fixes. If you've tried these steps and the error persists, don't hesitate to contact Gemma 4 support for additional help. With these actions, you'll be back on track swiftly. Optimizing system performance is key to ensuring Gemma 4 runs smoothly. Start by regularly cleaning up unnecessary system files that can bog down your computer. Monitoring CPU and memory usage helps identify resource-heavy processes that you might need to limit or terminate. Don't overlook the impact of background applications, closing these can free up valuable resources. Periodically defragmenting your hard drives is another effective way to enhance performance. Lastly, keeping your software and drivers up to date ensures you benefit from performance improvements and security patches. By implementing these practices, you can maintain a fast and efficient system. Keeping Gemma 4 updated is crucial for optimal performance and security. Make it a habit to check for updates regularly. Better yet, enable automatic updates to ensure you don't miss critical improvements. Before updating, back up essential data to prevent any potential data loss during the process. If possible, test updates in a controlled environment first to identify any potential issues. Scheduling updates during off-peak hours can minimize disruptions to your workflow. These strategies will help maintain the integrity and functionality of your Gemma 4 system.
User interface issues can be disorienting, but a systematic approach can resolve them. Start by identifying any UI glitches, such as misaligned buttons or unresponsive interfaces. Display driver issues can sometimes be the culprit, so ensure these are updated. Adjusting screen resolution settings can also help align the UI properly. Clearing the application's cache can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, a clean reinstallation of the application might be necessary to fix corrupted files. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and intuitive user experience with Gemma 4.
Data discrepancies can lead to incorrect analyses and decisions, making it crucial to address them promptly. Start by verifying the accuracy of your data sources to ensure the input data is correct. Check the synchronization settings in Gemma 4 to confirm that data is being updated properly. Identifying software conflicts that could affect data integrity is also important. Employ data validation tools to cross-check data for errors or inconsistencies. If you're still facing issues, consult the documentation for any known problems and solutions. These steps will help maintain data accuracy and reliability. Accessing support and resources can significantly ease the troubleshooting process. The Online Help Center is a great starting point for finding solutions to common issues. Joining user forums and communities can also provide insights and tips from fellow users. If you're unable to resolve an issue, don't hesitate to contact customer support for professional assistance. Official documentation is another valuable resource for understanding Gemma 4's functionalities and troubleshooting steps. Finally, staying updated with Gemma 4 newsletters ensures you're informed about the latest updates and best practices. Leveraging these resources can greatly enhance your troubleshooting capabilities. Congratulations on mastering the essential troubleshooting skills for Gemma 4. Regular maintenance and utilizing available resources are key to keeping your system running smoothly. We encourage you to engage with our content series and explore more videos for comprehensive insights. Remember, your feedback is invaluable, so please comment, like, and share this video. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, we'll continue to improve and streamline your experience with Gemma 4.